Hey, it's your girl Amori and I'm back at it with another fast tutorial. This one is a frontal wig install with a flip over. This one of my favorite clients. She always lets me be creative. What I'm feeling for the day, pretty much. She'd be like, I don't know, just make me look pretty. So today she has a blonde wig that she's getting installed. And I just can't wait to put it on her. So y'all know we gotta oil that scalp. Oil it up good. And then after you oil the scalp, you're gonna massage the scalp. Y'all know already the routine. But right here, I'm laying her edges down before I put her cap on. Then you're gonna sew that cap across. And then after you finish sewing that cap, you're gonna spray the color of their skin onto the cap so the cap can blend in with their skin tone. Here's where I'm spraying the lace tint onto her scalp so it can blend in with her skin. Then we go into our first layer of glue. So y'all know the first layer of glue is a starter layer. We use that, blend it in. Then we're gonna cut our cap off after that first layer of glue. Now, after you cut your cap off, you're gonna put your next 5 to 7 layers of glue on your client. Spread that glue out, baby. And then once you spread it out, it's gonna start turning clear. That last layer though, you don't want to let it get all the way clear before you attach the wig. So right here I'm just spraying the lace on the wig to match her skin tone, and then I'm cutting the lace jaggedly before I put it on her head. Here's where you put the wig on your client's head, and then we do what we call hitting the hot spots. That's wherever you missed the glue at the first time, you go back and blend it in with the comb. I usually use the glue, put the glue on the tip of the comb and put it in the spots that I missed. And by finding those spots, you just pull the lace back a little bit and you see how I'm laying it down to get it all melted. Now I am sewing the wig down. I always sew my clients' wigs down at the back unless they request something different. Some people don't want theirs sewn down at the back, but most people do for the extra security. Now after you get that lace all sewn down, you spray your silken and mist on the hair and blow dry the hair out. This is going to get the hair silky before you get ready to curl it. Here I'm going into my plucking. This is important. Make sure you pluck the baby hairs if they're too thick, because you want them to look thin and natural. Well, not too thin, but natural. And then you pluck their hairline to make it look more natural. Here I'm spraying some holding spray on there just to get the hair more into place with the hot comb. I always love to use the hot comb for putting the hair into place. Here I'm pushing it back even more. For the flip over method, you put the hot comb kind of upside down. Then I'm going into cutting my baby hairs, which I'm using a razor. And then I'm going to use the lace melting mousse that I've been using, y'all. I love this stuff. I've been using it for the past 3-4 days for my baby hairs. I like it. Now, she wanted her hair, it was a 24 inch. She wanted it to be more like a 18 to 20. So I cut it into like a long kind of a bob type thing. And she wanted big curls. So that's what we're doing here. We're cutting it all around. Now I'm going into her bump curls that she wanted. Y'all know I always curl away from the face to give a more sexy look, you know. But yeah, I'm curling away from the face. I'm finishing the curls, and then we're gonna go back into the flip over. We want a little more height to it, so we're doing the upside down effect with the hot comb, you know, give it a little more height. And this is pretty much her finished look, y'all. I really hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial. Y'all know I love doing them for y'all. Any requests, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.